The deadly accident in La Jolla is also sparking debate about elderly driving and whether all senior drivers should be required to retake a driving test to keep their license. Fox 5's Christina Dencial has that part of the story.
A single mother of 3 dead after she was essentially run over by a 91-year-old driver. It begs the question, should there be an age limit in which the elderly should stop driving?
Like I said, reflexes get diminished over time. Your judgment gets impaired.
The California Department of Motor Vehicles requires anyone over the age of 55 at the time their license expires to take a vision test and possibly a written exam. An actual driving test may not be required unless the minimum vision requirements are not met or if a driver has been referred for physical or mental conditions. Criminal defense attorney Vikas Bajaj stresses driving is not a right, but a privilege.
And because it is a privilege, it gives the Department of Motor Vehicles the discretion to control that privilege. A control of that privilege may be allowing people who are over a certain age to have mandatory reexaminations for their ability to drive.
Others feel restricting driving for the elderly and requiring them to take a driver's test because of their old age would be overgeneralizing.
My dad's 78. My dad drove buses for 30 years, and he still drives to this day. I mean, he's healthy, he's great.
I think it would be discrimination to let them do the test again, actually.
And for those who believe the elderly should be required to take a driving test,
Age should matter because as you get older, everything changes for you.
Bajaj says concerned citizens can contact their congressman.
Push for new laws to make sure the DMV re-examines individuals over in age when they're still licensed drivers.
Christina Dencial, Fox 5 News.